In today's video, I'm going to show you how to launch Claude Code from the terminal on Windows in just a few seconds. This is a super simple process, but if you're new to command prompt or terminal access, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get it running without confusion. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the Windows Start menu and use the search bar to look for CMD. You'll usually see command prompt appear as the result. This is the terminal window we need in order to launch Claude Code. Once you see it, right-click on command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Opening it as an administrator can help avoid permission issues and make sure the terminal has the access it needs. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes to continue. After the terminal opens, you'll see a black command window with a blinking cursor. This is where you'll enter the command to start Claude Code. Now type Claude and then press Enter on your keyboard. That's it. Claude Code should launch directly from the terminal, and if everything is installed correctly, you'll be ready to start using it right away. If nothing happens or you see an error, double check that Claude is installed properly and that your terminal is running with the right permissions. In many cases, simply reopening command prompt as administrator and trying the command again is enough to fix the issue. So to quickly recap, search for CMD from the Windows Start menu, run command prompt as administrator, then type Claude and press Enter. That's the fastest way to launch Claude Code from the terminal on Windows. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech guides, just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.